So yesterday and the day before we worked on ordered pairs, right? Okay. So again, yesterday we were able to locate items on a coordinate plane, right? So we found their ordered pairs, and then we also wrote their ordered pairs, right? So you guys are good with that, yes? You've had 2 days. We're good with that, right? So today you're going to tell me what quadrant it's in, based on the numbers. And in your notes, you should have a really good clue. If you don't have a clue, I'm going to give you something right now that is going to be beneficial to you. All right, so you're going to use this fabulous ghetto whiteboard. Okay, and if you notice, your x-axis is marked, okay? And your numbers, if you have it associated correctly or orientated correctly, your numbers will always be facing, okay? So, listen carefully. I'm going to remind you, right? So quadrant 1 is right here, correct? Quadrant 2 is right here. And then as we go counterclockwise, quadrant 3 is here. And then this is quadrant 4. All right? Perfect. So this ghetto whiteboard is going to help you find the quadrant for these ordered pairs. Okay? It's a nice long assignment. We'll do 1 or 2 together maybe. And then the rest will be all you. Okay? So here we go. My first example, actually let's do the example together. It says -4, +8. So I know that my first, I'm going to write this down up here so you guys know. My first number in my ordered pair is going to be my x. My x tells me if I'm moving left or right. Left is a negative number. Right is a positive number. And this information here would be super good to have in your notebook. So if you have your notebook with you, this is something you might want to write in that notebook. My y in my ordered pair is always the second number. And that tells me if I'm going up or down. Up is positive. Down is negative. So I expect everyone in this room right now to be writing this down. So I'm going to give you a couple minutes to write this in your notebooks. All right. Okay, you guys can't see it, but there's a countdown on my screen when I start recording. So that's why I say in 3, 2, 1 before we go. So, all right. So let's go back to where we were. Remember, this is really good information. This is what's going to make your graphing strong. So the number is -4 and +8. So I'm going to go to my little thingy here. Okay. And I know that I'm going to go from where do I start whenever I graph? Point of origin. So my point of origin, I'm going to go left 4, right? Because this is -8, -4, and negative tells me left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to go up or down. Up or down for my next, up, 8, right? So that's going to put me here. What quadrant am I in? 2. There's my answer for the first one, example 2. Got it? Okay, so let's look at the next one, -4, -8. So for my point of origin, -4, and then -8 tells me up or down. Up or down?
Down.
Down, 8. What quadrant am I in?
3.
That's what I'm going to write down for my answer, 3. I see Sophia lifting an eyebrow over there. That means she's questioning me. So we're going to do a couple more. We've got +4, -8 this time. So from my point of origin, +4 tells me left or right. We'll go right 4. My second one is -8, up or down?
Down.
Down. Whoops. What number should that be? That used to be a 4. So what quadrant am I in? Quadrant 4. Easy peasy lemon squeezy? Okay, I want you guys to do number 1, and then we're going to check it. So I'll give you a couple minutes to do number 1, and then we'll check it together. All right, so let's check it. For problem number 1, we have all these wonderful ordered pairs. And if you used your graph correctly, and all those skills that we've learned to become super positive graphers, you should have these as your answers. How many of you guys have these as your answers? Raise your hand. I should have 100%. Do I have 100%? Eddie, check your work. All right. So we're good to go, right? You guys got this? Any questions? Isaiah, any questions? Did you get the same ones? Did you do it? All right, go for it. You guys are on your own. You have the rest of the period to finish this entire sheet.